got the radiator in, but running into problem here. So this is a space I have. Now, when I did the body lift, okay, the body came up. The engine I had raised up a little bit and the body a bit more. So in the end, the center where the shroud, the center is supposed to line up with the center of the fan clutch pulley. And so the distance from here down to there and here up to here is different. So I actually need to lower the radiator down by 2.5 inches. So they make drop brackets, which you simply, it's like a rectangle bracket, goes down like this, has another hole in the bracket, and this bolt will go into that. And then you fasten the bracket up here in the original hole, and it goes for all 4 mounting locations. Problem being is that my space here, this instance here is about 5.5, I think, and the fan clutch and fan blades are like 4 3/4. So I've got right now about 3/4 of an inch between the fan and the radiator surface, fins there. And the problem with that is that, I mean, you should have about 3/4 to an inch or more if you can, a little more if you can. If you have a shroud, you can do even more space. The engine can move and vibrate, and on hard braking, you know, move forward a little, back, so that'll tilt the fan, and those blades possibly could hit and ruin your fins. So I'm already close at 0.75 inches. If I add in a bracket here, which will have its own thickness, that's going to reduce me down to, you know, even less. Other problem is I need to go 2.5 inches. Usually you get like a 1-inch body lift. I thought about what if I could just drill new holes, kind of like that one there, and just move this down, which it looks like it may be possible for the top ones. Now the bottom, they're mounted here. That's at the end of the body. So I couldn't really go 2.5 down. Anyways, electric fans may be the solution. I may end up lowering the radiator just as a test and putting the fan clutch in there and seeing how much space I actually have after. But we'll see. Got the